How to share Instagram Reels to TikTok. So to do that, now go ahead and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram app, all you have to do now, tap on this section as you can see now. Now tap on this Reel section as you can see. Tap on this Reel section. After you open the section as you can see, now you can go ahead and search for the video that you want to share on Instagram. So for me, let's say I'll share this video on Instagram account, on my TikTok account. So tap on this as you can see now. Tap on this share button. After you tap on the share button, now tap on this copy link. Now copy the video link. After you copy the video link like this, now close the Instagram app and go to your browser. After you come to your browser, go to this website which called instavideosaver.net. instavideosaver.net. After you come to this website, now paste in your link in this section. After you paste your link, as you can see now, so I'll just go ahead now and paste in my link. So after you paste your link, as you can see like this, now tap on this download button. So as you can see now, it downloading my video. Here is the video now. Tap on this download button again. Now it will download my video. So as you can see now, here is the video. After your video has finished downloading, now close the browser and go to your TikTok app. After you open your TikTok app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button to upload your video. As you can see, tap on this plus button to upload the video. So as you can see now, I will just go ahead and upload my video. So tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this upload button. Tap on this upload button now. Tap on this allow section. So now go ahead and select your video that you just downloaded. Here is the video now. So here is the video now. You can go ahead and tap on this next button. So now you can go ahead in the description, tap on this button. Now you just share your Instagram Reels that's from TikTok. So that's it guys on how to share Instagram Reels on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. So from this session now, go ahead and type in your description and hashtag in this session and tap on this post button. Now you'll share Instagram Reel on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.